Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram post on different niches. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create Instagram posts on funny quotes. Guys, I know as you know, Instagram quotes on Instagrams are now in trends and viral. There are many pages which has million of followers on Instagram, which depend upon which niches are on quotes. So you can also go to websites which are on quotes, and you can ask them your services that you can maintain their Instagram presence, and also you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can like ask any motivational speaker that you can ask any comedian that you can make their Instagram profile viral and maintain their Instagram presence so they can hire you and charge you. So guys, that's it. Let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing tool online available. You don't need to be an expert graphic designer or expert experienced graphic designer. Canva do it all for you. So I write here Instagram and Instagram post square, but first of all I would like to search quotes from Google so that we can paste the quote there. I click on this website. So here is the funny quote, like, I am sick of my following my dreams. Gentlemen, you can fight in here, there is war room. Yeah, this is good. So I paste the quote, and we can make the quote from scratch. So mostly yellow color uh, shows the funniest things, so I choose the background color yellow, and after that I paste Control V, so the quote is pasted here, and after that I change the font. Let's see which font is good, and increase the it's look good. And after that we have to make the like author name. I copy the author name and paste it here, and after that we have to write website name like www.funny.com, and I have to add some funny elements. So guys, in this way I create a funny quote post in 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.